Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here to show you, I'm starting a drawer for like shipping supplies and stuff like that in my organization. And I have different size bags here. So what I'm doing is taking these little trays from Dollar Tree and just taking the bags and putting the right size bags together and stacking them, and this is going to go in a drawer with other shipping supplies, and it's the whole drawer is going to be organized this way. Here's some bigger bags. I was just going to put them in sandwich bags, but then I said, nah, it'd be hard. I have to pull this out, pull that out. I thought this was the best way to get my little tiny Ziploc bags here organized and ready to go. So see how easy it is? It makes it a lot easier. And you have to make sure they're all the same size, and you just stick them in the bag or in the little basket. And right now I have a bigger basket full of sandwich bags and all sorts of Ziploc bags together. And what I'm trying to do is make the drawers a lot easier for me to find what I need when I need it. Here's the last of the bigger Ziploc bags. Okay, so here's some more tiny ones up here. I'll put those in there. I have more here to go through. See, I have this size and I have this size, and I want them separated, so I'm putting them in the baskets. And if I don't have enough room in the drawer to put the baskets, I'll stack the baskets in the drawers, because I want my drawers to be organized for when I want to get something out. And you see, I can make little compartments here, like right here. I can take something here, okay, piece of cardstock or something. See, like this. Measure this how I want it, how high I want it. Now if I can find my scissors, it'll be much easier. I thought that since I'm organizing, and I've had people say that they like my organizing videos, so I just thought that every time I wanted to organize something for a drawer or whatever, I'll do a video on it. Not too long of a video. I try to keep them short, but it doesn't always work that way. My scissors have disappeared. Oops, I found two more little bags here. I'm going to put those in there for now. Need to find the scissors. I don't know where they went to. They're not under my towel here. I had them earlier. Here they are. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim this piece of cardstock here. Okay, now I need it to be the height of the basket, okay, and the width of the basket. So right here, I'm going to put this part here, okay, like this. I'm going to put part of it inside the basket, and I'm just going to trim or take a pen or a pencil. I'd rather a pencil because I can take the marks out. I'm going to mark right here, and then I'm going to put the two pieces like this together. And what I'm going to do is trim them all together. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything like that. Now, I can trim them in half again. Just a little more this way. And then we have two little basket dividers like that. And it'll keep the bags in place. So I want to trim off right here, round them off just a tad so they slide in easy, just like that. And you can put them, you know, in the little holes so it'll stay. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all again. This basket is done here. We're going to do this basket here. Now, for this basket, I'm going to remove this here for now because I need the basket to be empty. And what I'm going to do is put the basket, this is another way you can measure. Okay, put the basket right on top here. And you draw your, whoops, well, don't break your pencil. And just draw your line right there. Okay, then trim off that part. And then you want to round off the bottom pieces. Okay, and then just put it right in the little slots here. Okay, then let me move the scissors out of the way and all of this mess out of the way, and we got our bag sorter in play. So we're just going to take a handful, even them all out, put it right in here. You can take a divider and put it right up to where the bags are, and you can fit the rest of your bags in there. So now I have my tiny bags and my bigger bags, but I think I don't have that many tiny ones. So what I'm thinking is putting oops, all of the bigger ones, if I can fit them all, into this basket. Oh, here's another tiny one. So I'm going to fit as many as I can into the large ones into this basket. Okay. That way, like that. Hey Siri, call Mark.